Hello everyone, welcome to week 3 of BCOM 3113 for the spring of 2018. Just want to post this update video, go over a few things I've been receiving multiple questions about. Just want to make sure that we are all on the same page, so I hope you view this video. I have to bear with my voice here. I'm fighting whatever's going around, so I know if you're here on Stillwater, you know that campus has been ravaged by various illnesses. So keep me in some positive vibes my way. That would be awesome. So let's take a look real quick at what we're going to do this week. So obviously, the biggest thing that's due is the Who Am I memo. On top of that, the only other thing we have is the exam. I just wanted to point this out. When you go to the Who Am I memo Dropbox, you will see that there's a rubric there. So this will give you an idea of how it will be graded. Obviously, there'll be very detailed feedback given back for each one. So we've got, it's worth 50 points. You've got 5 categories, 10 points each, with different levels of exceptional, above average, average, and then unacceptable. If you look at the course syllabus, you'll see which one, the different levels, what it takes to get those. So you've got focus, grammar, and mechanics is huge. Obviously, format and appearance is huge. Basically, adequately answering all the questions from the assignment sheet is another one, and then length requirement. So not too difficult to do well on this, but I wanted to go ahead and point out, I've got a past example here from last semester. So I want to point out some good things that this example is doing. So obviously you have to create your own logo. Again, I'm not expecting you to do anything extravagant there or spend any amount of time really. Just don't use the Spears logo or OSU's. You can just use clip art or a corporate logo you find online is fine. Obviously you're going to have the word memorandum underneath it. That's required. And then date, to, from, and subject. And make sure that you put job titles, and then as you'll notice here, and in all the assignment sheets that I put, there's initialing after your name. So you just use a script-like font. In the old days, used to initial after your name, kind of as a sign-off for it. And then you can look visually. I'm not going to go into the details of this one, but you know, we've got all the readability helpers there. So we've got bold headings, we've got short, concise paragraphs, not real long ones, so you want to break up long paragraphs. That's a huge thing that will cost points on your format. We've got a continuation page header, right? So again, you're going to have the recipient's name on the left, which is me, obviously, the page number in the middle, and then the date on the right. So again, bold headings, readability helpers throughout, bullet points to break things up, really short, concise paragraph chunks, all to make this document as readable as possible, because that's one of the main things you're supposed to learn in this class. If you do all those simple steps, you'll be just fine on this assignment. The other big thing, obviously, is the first exam. It's open book and open note, right? You have all week to do it. There is no time limit on it. So it really is no excuse to not do very well on that test. So there were problems with it the first few hours that it was posted, but those have been remedied. So if you maybe tried it earlier and it didn't work, it definitely works now. Again, you can use your notes and your text while you're doing it. And some of those questions might even come from areas in the text that weren't necessarily highlighted. So, you know, you got plenty of time. Just make sure that you take advantage of it. As always, if you have questions, just reach out and email me. Otherwise, have a good week and get to work.